Hello everyone, welcome to the lesson 3 in unit 0. Okay, let's look at math class expectations. We're going to call them classroom norms. So they are organized kind of funny way, but I think you will be able to read them. So one of them is be nice, say please and thank you. The other one will be ask questions or help each other, do the right thing, be on time, never give up, dream big, clean up after yourself, and do your best. What I'd like you to do right now is take a sticky note that is on your desk, write your name on it, and then you're going to take this sticky note and place it on the part of our classroom norms that you think you're going to have to work hardest this year. I think I'm going to put my sticky note on dream big. So go and do it now. This slide will help you understand the difference between must do, should do, and aspire to do problems. The first page of the try it section will explain the meaning of the dots. So must do section are the problems that you have to complete. Okay, you don't have a choice, you do have to complete the whole page. Should do are the problems that are that will help you do better on the mastery check and eventually much better during your unit test. Aspire to do problems are the problems that are showing you how to use the new material you learn in the real life situation. So when you open your page, your part of the booklet that is try it section, you need to look at the dots that are here on the top of the page. So this page is marked green, which means these are must do problems. This page here is marked orange, so these are the should do problems, and this last page here is the red dot, which means these are the aspire to do problems, and it's good for you to go through these problems because you will learn how to use the concepts in real life situations, and also it will help you do better during the unit test. This slide is showing you where you find your materials. So the first bin here on the left is the bin where you find your do nows at the beginning of the class. You pick this up, go to your desk, and you have 5 minutes to work on this. Here is the bin for the homework. So as soon as you come to the classroom, unpack everything on your desk and put your homework in the bin. This part here is your class workstation. So here you can find your booklets. See, there are booklets for lesson 0.1, 0.2, and 0.3, and then these headings are going to change depending on which unit are we working on. Here is your board where you can find the homework for the day.